Pleasant afternoon, Bayang Karerista. Welcome back here in Silver Bullet Productions. At ito na nga ulit ang simula ng ating pag-cover ng mga stakes races at mga malalaking pakarera dito sa Metro Manila Turf Club. And today, we will witness the 2025 Philracom Japan Cup dito sa ating race number 2 kung saan 8 kalahok ang maglalaban-laban at matutunghayan natin kung magwi-winning streak ba dire-diretso si Andiamo Afirense o merong makaka-upset sa kanya. At abatiin din natin ang representante ng Japan Racing Associations as we celebrate the Japan Cup, Mr. Kikuchi Ryota. Ayan, at tunghayan din natin ang mga kapanapanabik na kaganapan mamaya yan dito lamang sa Silver Bullet Productions.
Andiamo Afirense, race leader, Ryan Zagam is a perfect delight. And I say a leader straight now is Andiamo Afirense. Leads by line, followed now by Madame Mayhem, right outside, third now is Daily Burner. Then followed by Perfect Delight. Next in line, Midnight Cut, right outside now, Manu Dura, then followed by Dreaming Always. While Velvet Haze is running in the tail of the field. And as they settle down in steel, Andiamo Afirense leads my line, followed by Daily Burn in second. 2 lengths for the back, Madame Mayhem. Here comes Midnight Cut. Around the outside now, Perfect Delight. Manu Dura is improving. Then followed by Velvet Haze, while Midnight Cut is now running in the tail of the field. And as they race the last straight mile pole, it is here Andiamo Afirense. Leads by some 4 lengths now, followed by Daily Burn. Midnight Cat now racing in third, Madame Mayhem. Around the outside now, Manu Dura. Perfect Delight next, Velvet Haze. Followed third now, it is here Andiamo Afirense. In front, leads by some 5 now, is Andiamo Afirense. Madame Mayhem racing second, Midnight Cat. Around the outside now is Manu Dura, but is here Andiamo Afirense winning the Japan Cup. Second, Madame Mayhem, Midnight Cat, Manu Dura.
And we're back, Bayang Karerista, here in Silver Bullet Productions. And of course, ang laging nagbibigay sa atin ng panayam, walang iba, Jackie Jeffril Tagulaw Sarate, ang Romenda sa wala pang talong kabayo na si Andiamo Afirense. Congratulations,
Thank you.
Jackie Jeffril. And of course, to Sir June Sevilla and Sir Dante Salazar na nakabingwit na naman ng panalo. So, I have a few questions, Jackie Jeffrey Tagulaw Sarate. Kasi kanina habang pinapanood ko yung replay, parang talagang prenting-prente ka lang sa ibabaw ni Andiamo Afirense. May na-expect ka ba na parang manggugulo sa'yo sa harapan kanina o nagtataka ka ba't parang wala? Kasi yun na yung harapan eh. Unang likuan pa lang, isa yun na.
Oh, wala. Hindi naman ako nag-expect na meron pang tutulin sa kabayo ko kasi nung last na laban namin, sila rin. Kaya sabi ko, magandang talon lang. Then relax. Kailangan ko lang ma-relax yung kabayo ko ng 2 kwartos. Then after that, pag nakuha ko yun, tingin ko...
Tapos na. At parang ganun nga nangyari, partner Jeff, kasi nung far turn na rin, talagang wala na, palayo ka na. Nalayuan mo na si Daily Burn at yung iba naman, ngayon pa lang lumalapit, kung kailan malayo na at nakapagpahinga na si kabayo. Well, ito yung pang-7 panalo ni Andiamo Aferense. Sa tingin mo ba, makakailang panalo ba ito?
Hindi natin sigurado. Siyempre, ang kabayo, hindi naman tao yan na nagsasalita pag wala silang kondisyon or pagod na sila. So, kung nandun palagi yung kondisyon niya at yung pa rin yung mga kalaban niya, siguro no question. Siguro kaya niya pa rin siguro na magdictate lagi ng panalo niya.
Sa bagay, sa lahat ng ito, ng karamihan na nakalaban mo kanina, halos sila rin yung mga nakalaban mo nakaraan.
Yes.
Last year din pala, na-sweep mo yung local and imported kay Birchton.
Yes.
Ngayon, sa tingin mo, masisweep din to ni Andiamo Aferense? O may naririnig kang mga bagong imported na sasali?
Hindi pa rin natin masasabi. Siyempre, hanggang may kabayong magaling. Siyempre, may mga host owner at trainer na gusto mapantayan yung galing ni Andiamo. So, balita ko ngayon, may mga imported na dumating. Like katulad kay Patrick Uy, marami siyang dumating na mga imported. Like katulad din ni Sir Sandy Javier, may mga imported din siya. So, tignan natin. Kaya siguro, hanggang kaya ko yung laban at andito kami, siguro magpe-prepare kami lalo na mas maganda.
I see. Thank you so much, Jackie Jepril Tagalaw Sarate. At ayan, Bayang Karerista, at nag-umento pa nga, 137 ang pinuweba ngayon ni Andiamo Aferense. At hanggang sa susunod, abangan natin yung itatakbo pa ng kabayong ito. We are going to have an interview with Sir Relly De Leon, the PhilRACOM chairman. Sir Relly, I would like to ask, ano po ang mensahe ninyo sa JRA, sir, sa patuloy na pagsuporta po sa atin?
Actually, ang JRA sa Philippines, actually, we have a tie-up wherein we support each other. So, in the Philippines, we have Japan Cup, and in Japan, we have Philippine Cup. So, that is yearly. So, that is one way of promoting the horse racing industry of Japan in the Philippines and the horse racing of the Philippines in Japan. So, we will continue this and hopefully, we will make it better in the coming years.
I see. That's a great partnership, Sir Relly, ano? And hopefully, pati yung mga ibang may mga racetrack na ibang bansa, makuha din natin at magkaroon din ng iba't ibang cup.
Yeah, we are looking forward to Korea, probably, and Australia. Yeah.
I see. That's great, Sir Relly. And of course, we want to thank the JRA representative. Walang iba kundi si Sir Kikuchi Ryota na nakasama natin kanina sa awarding. And Sir Relly, ano pa bang aabangan natin sa mga susunod na buwan for this year?
Actually, this coming Sunday, meron tayong Commissioner Cup, Division 1, Division 2, and Division 3. And on February 23, our second 3-year-old stake race. Then the following month, we will be having on March 16, the Manila Horsepower, sponsored also by PhilRACOM. And we will also have the Classic Cup. In Classic Cup Division 1, we decided to actually dedicated that to the late Tony De Obago. So we will have his family here. We will be having some tribute to him for his contribution to Philippine horse racing industry.
Ayun. So yung mga nag-aabang ng mga susunod na mga pakarera natin, malalaking pakarera, pwede kayong pumunta rito sa MetroTurf at suportahan po yung ating mga pakarera. And of course, sir, yung 4-year-old imported local na kasunod din. At malamang si Andiamo Aferense rin ang
actually, meron tayong 4-year-old, tapos meron din tayong Kuwangko Cup, yung Danding Kuwangko on November. So, pahaba distansya niyan eh. Pagka mahaba distansya, baka mas maganda yung maging laban. Kasi pagka maiksi, medyo kayang-kaya ni Andiamo. Kapag mahaba, baka maging close fight. Baka siya pa din manalo, baka maging close fight.
Tama, sir. Well, anyway, Sir Relly De Leon, thank you so much
sa
inyong oras para sa Silver Bullet Production. At ayan po, Bayang Karerista, magbabalik po kami. And there you have it, Bayang Karerista. Katatapos nga lamang nung ating 2025 Philracom and Japan Cup kung saan napanalunan nga ni Andiamo a Firenze ang laban na ito. Congratulations to all the winners at yung connections ni Andiamo a Firenze, especially Sir June Sevilla and trainer Dante Salazar, ganun din Jackie Jepril Tagulaw Sarate, at syempre ang ating Philracom Chairman Relly De Leon, and of course yung JRA representative na walang iba kundi si Sir Kikuchi Ryota. Yan, maraming salamat, Bayang Karerista. And of course, we would like also to greet some of our commenters doon sa ating YouTube channel. Ayan, greet natin ang happy racing sa inyo, JJ Lau 2017, ganun din kay Ami Laksexis. Ayan, so ayan, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe yung ating Silver Bullet Production account sa YouTube, at i-follow nyo na rin yung Silver Bullet Production Facebook page. At marami pa tayong pakaabangan ngayong taon at magbabalik po kami dito lamang sa Silver Bullet. At muli, ako po ang inyong host for today, walang iba, Brian Centeno. See you next time!